SmartRent app designed with your experience in mind puts comfort, control, and convenience in the palm of your hand. With custom control setting and more, it makes there is no place like home ring even truer. So lock and unlock your door, create custom schedules for your thermostat to save money and energy, grant unique time-bound access codes to family, friends, and service providers, set up automations to simplify daily routines, issue voice commands with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, be alerted immediately of possible leaks in your home, review your log activity to see when guests or maintenance visited, link your Ring account for one less app to manage. So kind of like everything app for your smart home, SmartRent, smart home dashboard, and you can just see how it works. Save energy by controlling your thermostat, create automations to simplify your life, share access with family, friends, and guests, manage unit and community access. And then you can just go and sign in and create an account. So you need to have an account already created on the website. That's basically the idea.